Good day my Stitchy family and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from Outdoortide. That is www.outdoortide.com. Now all of us know Outdoortide by this time. They just amazing. They sell all kinds of things. They do our favorite cross stitch. They sell the newest beaded cross stitch. They do diamond paintings, paint by numbers, and they sell all the tools and accessories that goes with those products as well, and plenty more. They even do customs. Now they do also sell epoxy molds, and if you want to save a little bit more at Outdoortide, you type in my discount code, which is Rella15 off for extra 15% off. Now that is great. Just that alone is great. But you can save more and I'll tell you how in a moment. Now if you spend over $59, you get free shipping. And of course their customer service rock. Their products rock. Everything is just beautiful. Alright, but that's not all. That's where we're getting to. They're still running their Halloween sale, guys. And it's big. It's almost for 4 days still. It's a 17% discount on your whole cart. Oh my word. The code is Halloween17. I will put it in the description box so that you know where to find it and the link to all the products and the shop. So go and have a look. But that is still not all. If you spend over $39, you get a free blind box. Now, the free blind box you need to add to your cart. So you please don't forget it. So if you see you spend over $39, add that free blind box. It's gonna be good. So that is a lot of savings at an excellent store. Now we've all said and done. Let's look what they sent me. Right. So this contraption, I actually opened to do something and I had to. Otherwise I would have ran around now like a silly cow. Okay. So it's gone. There you go. So it's a little light you wear around your neck. So I was wondering how it works, and thank goodness I did before I did this unboxing, because now this, remember that foam rollers we put in our long hair, we made like Goldilocks things. This arms are like that, so you can bend it like you want. There's a light on the end, and there's a button. I'll show you how it works. There is where I want to show you. There's the other light and the little button, and everything here can move. Okay, so I was struggling to get this out, but I hope I can do it with one go now. Okay, but you open it here, and it's not fun opening it. It is very, very strong. Strong. Let me just see if I can get this now. There you go. Alright, so you have to open this and put batteries in. It takes AA batteries, 2 AAA batteries. Let me see if I'm right. Yes, 2 AAA batteries, and that's what I had to look at so I can show you properly. Now I don't know how it's going to look on the screen, but sorry. So there's 2 settings here. You can go one light, or you can go 2 lights. Look. There they are. In my lights it's very difficult, but there's the lights. So you hang it around your neck and it spotlights where you work. I think it's very cute. I love it. I'm not even going to put it away. I'm just hanging it around. I think it's amazing. Thank you very much. Alright, now look at that. You guys know I'm obsessed with fairies and all that type of things. And when I saw this one, I just thought I need it. It's a Huacan brand, so let's hope I at least get 40 colors, right? Alright, so you're still watching there. The colors are pretty that I see. Let's start praying for 40 colors. Okay, we're going to watch now how many colors. Okay, so we got our 5 needles, needle threader, thimble in a little test tube. There you go. I like the way they pack these now. It's better than the poof ball. These we can use. Nice. There we go. So that's our little packet. And this is a 14 count. So let's have a look at it. So far, so good. I think it's so pretty, guys. It's a 50 by 50, so it's quite big. La! Got 40 colors. Yay. And that's what they give. They give a bit more sometimes, but Huacan does that. So it's on my favorite shiny film for durability. There's a beautiful picture. Huacan never used to put pictures, but they do now. So there's a beautiful picture of my little fairy house. 14 count 50 by 50. Instruction leaflets printed on your pattern, but it's minute. But you don't need that. You know what to do. Alright, beautiful. No open blotches, guys. I'm going to have a decent fairy house here. Very nice, actually. The whole house, it's going to look amazing. Because the picture is like watercolor. So this, I looked nicely before I chose it. Look at that. 40 colors is enough. It's going to look nice. And I've got my 40 colors. I'm happy. Yay! I was just hoping not to get 20 colors. This is amazing. Thank you. Alright, that is that. I'm going to start using a lot of these bags again because so many things needs them. Let's have a look at the Ada. Okay, it's the thinner Ada. No problem, as long as it works, right? 14 count, 50 by 50. And with the 14 count, I can actually see the red symbols so they don't bug me so much. Now, Huacan's got this thing. They print on the 16 count with all this red. Then you can't see the numbers. So you don't see me opening that until they fix it. And they're not fixing it. So I don't want to... I struggle. I struggle with that red. I've been begging, I've been pleading, and Huacan's not listening. So I will not... The 16 counts I can't do because of the printing of all the red symbols. Alright, search all the way around for convenience. 14 count, 50 by 50. 242 stitches by 242 stitches. My 40 colors. And everything's amazing. There's still a lot of red. I do not favor the red because there we will... you can still see. On the 14 count you can still see. But the red is a problem when it goes smaller. Even on 14 count, they just should change some of their red symbols because their whole canvas is always red. But this one is perfect. It still has a lot of red, but I can read them. But the 16 count I cannot do. Now, I love it. I think it's amazing. And I had a 54 by 54 earlier on. I do not think this is 50 by 50. Let's see. Oh, I might be wrong, but let's have a look. I think the whole thing is 50 by 50. Yes, that should be. The whole thing, yeah, no, it's not even. Okay, so the whole thing is almost 49, 48.7. So the actual stitch is only 42 by 42. So it's about 42 by 42, but nonetheless, it's a beautiful stitch. I love it. Very pretty little fairy house. All right, what's next? Ta-da-da-da, the beautiful threads. Oh, my Stitchy soul. My Stitchy soul, never get used to this. It's too pretty. So we set 40 colors right, they're on floss drops. Next week I will unbox for Outdoortide again. And I'll show you how to use these floss drops on other things they sell there. But I will show you next week. Look at this. This is video 1 of 2. And then in the next video next week, I'll also show, they sent me a whole new replacement for that beaded kit. Look at this. It never gets old. I just want to touch and play with it. That's so bad. Okay, let's see. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There you go. It's very soft. There's dark colors, there must be. But it is soft and purples and pinks. And it's just pretty. This is gonna come out so nice. I really love it. It is amazing. All right. Well, that was a successful unboxing. I love it. Very, very nice. Now, while I pack away, I want to take this opportunity to thank Outdoortide. You guys rock. You've always rocked. Thank you for sending me this beautiful products. I adore them. They're really, really good. Yeah, thank you. And then, ta-da-da-da, to you, my viewer. Yeah, you watching me from the couch, the swimming pool, the kitchen, the bed, wherever you choose to sit. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. Without you guys, this is not possible. And also remember, go and have a look at the Halloween sale at Outdoortide. They've loaded new stock. They've got beautiful products and their pricing is good. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.